Hi there. Today is the moment. I'm so happy. I'm so content. My babies are turning 6 months today. And together we completed 6 months of exclusive breastfeeding. Wow. So it started with formula milk in hospital, and I was so determined. I want to wean off the formula. We come home and I slowly started weaning off the formula milk, and by 3 weeks of their life they were off formula and they were just on mother's milk. And it was a journey. We had sleepless nights. I was pumping, I was feeding, I was pumping and feeding together. There were so many moments where just wanted to give up, but I did not. And I'm so happy I did not give up, because my kids got the best they could have gotten in the initial few months of their life. Their birth weight was 3 kgs and 2.7, and now they weigh around 7.5 kgs each. It's a moment for me. I just cannot express. And we all did it being vegan. I never took any milk. When I came back home from hospital, elder said you need to start taking milk to produce milk. My standard answer used to be, have you seen cow taking any milk to produce milk? They couldn't answer. And I continued my journey as vegan and fed my babies, and they are perfectly healthy. And second, major stigma, or major point, everybody used to say, oh, your milk will not be sufficient for twins. You have to feed formula. And I was determined, no, I'm not going to do that. Birth weight is doing great. Doctor is very happy. Babies are active. So why should I include formula in their diet? And here we are, completing 6 months of breastfeeding to my twins. So I really encourage and inspire, want to inspire all the mothers. Please give the best to their babies. If you can, give the breast milk to the babies and let them be happy and be disease free, or make the healthy base for them. And thank you so much for watching, and do come back. Thank you.